Hey, this is Raven Jackson with NextHome Family Tree Realty. Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm here with your weekly real estate market update for Dixon, Vacaville, and Fairfield. So if you're curious about our market, stay tuned. So in Dixon currently there are about 30 homes on the market. In Vacaville there's about 142, and in Fairfield there are nearly 150 homes actively listed. The average days on market for the three cities is about 60 days, and the average home price is about $450,000. So the good news is, if you're a buyer, there's lots of inventory for you to go and look at. And if you're a seller, the good news is that there's still pretty healthy sales prices. You would think that maybe I was going to follow up with some bad news, but there really isn't any bad news, because if you're a buyer, inventory is good. And if you're a seller, you want a good healthy price for your house. So if there's any other areas you're interested in, maybe even in Solano County, Davis, Woodland, West Sacramento, please let me know. If there's other Solano County neighborhoods that you're curious about, Benicia, Vallejo, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm happy to look into that for you. I'm also going to link some open houses for you for the weekend, so you can go take a look at some of these homes. I'd love to be the realtor that you think of when you're buying and selling a home, or if you know somebody who is. Do me a favor, subscribe to this channel and ring the little bell down below so you are notified when I upload new videos. If you have ideas for me for videos that I could do, please let me know also in the description box. I'm so excited to get my channel started, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.